everyone. I'm Shweta from Fab Aura from Calcutta. Came here for the Desire exhibition, a very splendid exhibition of this year. I'll show you some of my products. We deal in Indo-Western, Indian and ethnic. This is in chinon chiffon, something Indo-Western style with the studded sleeves, and this is all handwork, beautifully handwork, and it has been taken 7 days to complete this work. And this comes with a palazzo. This is an Indo-Western style corset. This is come with a semi-palazzo, and this is the 3/4 sleeves with chinon chiffon fabric it is, and easily washable at home. And this is all handwork of sequins, pearls and thread work. For the Eid season, Ramadan season, we have designed this in Sharara style with beautifully handwork. These are all with pearl and golden work. This comes with a Sharara and fully work at the front and the back. You can just check this piece. This is the all work at the back too. Something beautifully designed with the dupattas. For summer season, we have designed these types of frocks in Malchanderi. This is a very beautifully designed in green and patchwork in the whites. It gives a complex looks. You can have a look, and this is with whole lining. No body part is seen in this, and you'll feel soft and comfortable because this is pure Malchanderi. This is Bangladeshi Malchanderi and easily washable at home. As you can see in Malchanderi, this is also a very splendid piece. This is all handwork, and in the hands also the work will be going through the running work with the dupatta having work on it and a straight pants it will be. This is in Indo-Western style with the palazzo and dupatta. This is all hand painted and worked in this, and we have the cuts in this in between to give you a very smart look in this. This is all hand painted, and this is with the Ari work in it. See, very beautiful in the sleeves also, and in the front also the work is going on. You know, for the summer season we have designed this for the flowery look, for the summer story. It's a really perfect piece. Something like this in Sabyasachi designer wear it is. This is in pure muslin and the designer wear. You can have a look. Really beautiful and really hand painted prints with this, and this comes with a straight pants, a semi palazzo a little bit. In the summers it will remain cool. You don't have to worry about the stickiness because this is the pure fabric, as you can check it. This is the all handwork designed for the festive wears in the peaches shade for the summer season. This is all handwork with moti, jadao, pearl and with the kantha work too in this with full embroidery it is. As you can see, this is, you know, very beautiful. You can see the neatness of the work. Sequence work, tari work, ari work, every work is there. At the back and the front, as you can see, a really beautiful piece in something designer wear with the embellishing, highlighting the work in this. And this is with the straight pants. Again, you can check with this summer season, like mangoes are there. So we have designed in this mustard yellow color to give you a very cool look for the summers it is. As you can check, this is all hand embroidered, and this is coming with the cut work. As you can see, this work is all hand work, and this is easily manageable and hand wash. With the straight pants it comes. As you can check with this is a bandhni, pure Jamnagar bandhni. It comes really very costly. We have designed this in the mirror work, as you can see. This is all with the mirrors, giving you a very smart look on your this upper body part. And this is easily washable at home, no issue for that. And it comes with a palazzo, semi palazzo. This bandhni sarees are starting from 15 to 20,000, but we have designed this piece in a reasonable range for you. This is a Sabyasachi designer wear shirts designed for summers, as you can wear it on leggings, jeggings, anything on denims also you can wear. This is the whole new print and it will remain cool during the summers. Teenage groups can also wear it on the denims, ma'am. This is a really beautiful piece coming in many of the designs and colors. As you can check with this cord set, this you can find it in something Indo-Western style with a fish cut. This is all moti work, hand moti work it is. As you can check, the beautifully cut it is, and it will give you a very smart look when you wear the whole thing. And it comes with a palazzo and easily washable in machine. And these collars are not the fitted one. These are light collars, so you can wear it in the summers. This is something in the Indo-Western style we have designed with hand painted it is and with the work. This you can find in the sequence work, tari work, pearl work and every work it is. See, you can check with the work and easily washable in machines. Something different and elegant. This comes with a busty and a straight pant. One more color, bottle green color is there and one wine color is there. As you can check, this is something designer wear in pure tissue it is, and this is all handwork with the balloon sleeves we have given you, not the full balloon, with the handwork, with the Jardozi, Tari work and pastel tones right now are very much in for the summer season. As you can check, this is all hand golden work. It comes with dupatta and dupatta itself is having work on it. See, this is in something anarkali pattern it is. This is in the Banarsi tissue embroidered with the Jardozi work and Tari work. As you can see, very light and very comfortable it is, and this comes with a broader border, as you can check in the hands and at the back. See, very beautiful piece it is, and this comes with a palazzo and dupatta. This is all handwork, very beautiful. As the ivory color is in right now, so we have designed this piece. You know, this is with the sharara. You can have a look, very beautiful sharara it is. You can check. This we have designed for the festival wear. As you know, Eid is coming, so we have designed this piece with the dupatta, pure chiffon dupatta with the work. Very beautiful piece. For the Ramzan, this is a perfect piece for all of you with handwork on the neck too and on the sleeves also. This is in pure chinon chiffon. We have designed in shararas, and this is all handwork designed with the, some moti sort of work and the sequence to give you a very smart and elegant look. See, this beautiful work, as you can see. When you will walk, the work is coming in front and at the back. You can check. And this comes with a dupatta. This is all my latest collection. Please visit us on Insta. Thank you.